The Clarke CES680F folding engine stand provides easy access to any part of an engine. Part of the Clarke strong arm range, this engine stand is suitable for large engines up to 680 kilograms in weight. The 4 engine mounting arms feature a slotted mounting plate and are fully adjustable to suit many different engine types. The head has 360 degrees of swivel with 8 pin increments for easy accessibility of all engine parts. And the handle is conveniently stored on the upright when it's not required. Maneuverability and stability is assured with 2 wheels at the rear and 3 swiveling castors, the front 2 castors being fitted with brakes. For convenience and easy storage, the removal of a single pin enables the engine stand to simply fold up compactly when not in use. So if you have the need to work on any engine up to 680 kilograms in weight, the heavy-duty Clarke CES680F folding engine stand will give you many years of great service.